Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how so that your piece equalizer doesn't get recorded. So there are a few things you need. First is you need piece equalizer, of course, and then you need Steelseries Sonar. So download and install Steelseries Sonar. So once we have it, open it up and then go to Steelseries Sonar. As you can see, we have game, chat, and media, which means it adds 3 new audio devices for you to use. Let's open file location to piece equalizer. Go to the previous folder and open the configurator. Now our main output device is. So we want the equalizer on Realtek audio. On the latest Windows 10, you should have SFX CFX. Then restart your computer. After rebooting, open up Editor. Select No. Then set this device to whatever audio you're using, which is mine, Realtek. At the start, it looks just like this with piece.txt. So just add control device. Uncheck select all devices and select speakers. Then drag this one to the top. Here you drag it with the number. So go to OBS and click the setting on the audio and then select the audio device Steelseries Gaming. And then you're done. By default, it sends all your audio into the Steelseries Gaming audio device. So with that, even if you add an equalizer to your main output device, then it won't affect the sounds when you're recording.